Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to another vlog with Mama Dot. I pray that you guys had a God bless amazing night. I'm here in Lowe's early this morning. Early this morning. Uh, y'all, look at this. Look at the little doggy with the head on. Oh, shoot. Look at the little Halloween stuff out. Look at the DJ. Now, ooh, it's dark. I'm back, y'all. But anyway, yeah, I'm in here early this morning. Oh, it's so nice outside, y'all. Just need to scan everything. Y'all all right? Woo. Feel like I got a tan. But yeah, yeah. Gonna come on and do a 1-2-1-2 with y'all early this morning. Bring y'all out with me for a minute. 'Cause I'm always, y'all know what? I wish I can talk like I'm gonna talk. But anyway, I want to come in here this morning to find some stuff. Good morning. Come in here this morning to find some stuff to do. Got me a little 1-2-1-2 feeling cool this morning, child. Yeah, I know I said I want to do my kitchen over. It's getting a little dark. You heard it. Y'all can see my face? Because I don't like when it get dark. Liz was talking about that last night or live. Oh, Mama, I don't like when it's dark. I don't. I like light. Because it's already, the glass is already giving me a shade of dark. This, hold on, we go. 1-2-1-2 out. Good morning. How you fine? You doing all right? Good. Cute little refrigerator. I like this a lot. Oh, it's nice and cool. So yeah. Oh, hold on a minute, y'all. If I don't come back, I'll be back. Okay. Love you.